Hello everyone, this is your boy Yashvi Gaming. Well, today I'm going to show you on Crunchyroll how we're going to skip credits, skip recap, skip intros. Okay, on Crunchyroll. Alright, so I've updated my Chrome extension. I've updated it to version 1.4, universal detection. It skips intro, recap, opening, pro, credits, ending, outro, preview, whatever. Okay, you can read all of that. We do not collect any data or use your data. All right, so all you want to do is to add to Chrome, click add extension. Once added, you're gonna pin this, and as you can see right here, you can disable or enable it. Skip intro, skip. Okay, next, browse to crunchyroll.com. Alright, so as you can see here where it says skip recap, here you see that on the top, the green thing, skipped. Okay, I'm gonna show you once again. See, where's my mouse right here? Okay, it skipped. I didn't even click here. My mouse is right here. Okay, my mouse is in the middle right here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, skip. It skipped the recap, intro, and now let's see for the credits. Okay, as you can see, it even skipped the credits as well. Thanks so much for watching. I would love for you to try it, give your ratings, whatever. Okay, leave reviews.